I think there was a little bird on the roof of my house today coming home, and it just looked fluffed up and irritated.
Yeah.
Which I think is how most folks felt today. It's like, even my 5-year-old, he said, I don't like having to put all the layers on and then take them back off.
Yeah, join the club.
I know. It's like, that's a very astute observation from a 5-year-old. And it is. It's one of those where you pile it all back on, you hurry to your car, you get inside and you take them all back off. Tonight will be a very cold night, and we have the potential for some patchy freezing fog. Tonight, there have been reports of some flurries in parts of Overton County and Fentress County. It speaks to how cold the air mass and that there's just a little bit of moisture available. Nothing is showing up on radar because there's really just not much to speak of, but ground truth observations. We've had 2 reports now of flurries in Overton and flurries over into parts of Fentress County. So if you're seeing some, I would love to hear it. It won't amount to more than that, just a few snowflakes here or there. The real story is our bitter cold weather that we've had all day today. We woke up to 35 and we topped out at 38. That's not much movement as far as the mercury goes. The wind's certainly not howling today, but it never felt like 38 all day long. The wind chills have been a few degrees cooler. Our current wind chill, our current feels like factor, 32. Our actual temperatures are in the 30s widespread, 31 Crossville, 33 Lafayette, 35 in Dixon. Overnight tonight, we are down into the 20s. So a colder Tuesday than what you woke up to this morning. Widespread 20s are expected across the area. As far as who will see fog, it won't be widespread, but if you live in a sheltered spot or you commute through or by some low-lying areas, or if you're near any of our waterways, think Old Hickory, likely some patchy fog tomorrow, and with temperatures below freezing, it is possible that we could have some freezing fog. So think about elevated surfaces, Vietnam Vets through Hendersonville. That can often get some slick spots, especially the elevated spots through Gallatin and Hendersonville. Those would be my biggest concerns. This computer model shows the fog overnight tonight, and notice more the shape of it, how it looks like Swiss cheese. That's because it's picking up on our waterways really being the catalyst for some of that low-lying fog. It'll burn off quickly. We will get some sunshine by tomorrow afternoon, not wall-to-wall sunshine, but better than what we had today. So enjoy the vitamin D. That will help warm us up a bit. Into the 40s by lunchtime, mid-40s tomorrow afternoon, which is seasonal. Not balmy, but seasonal. Warmer conditions Wednesday, Thursday, and then we head into what looks to be a very active setup for our weekend. First chance for rain comes Thursday. Temperature is mild enough through that to keep us rain. But Saturday into Sunday, look at Saturday's high, 45. Look at the low Sunday morning, 21. So this looks to be another battle, another race between cold air and moisture. At this point, it does look to start as rain, and a good bit of it, a good soaking rain. If that cold air can catch up on the backside, it is possible that we could see some snowflakes as we head towards Sunday. It's too soon to call it. The storm system is way out in the Pacific Ocean, but we'll look at it with a little bit more detail, Rory, coming up at 6:30. Anyway you slice it, that cold air is coming, and it looks to be the coldest of the season.